What's good, my YouTube family? It's your boy 6Speed back with another video. Yeah, I know it's been 3 months since my last upload, but this winter in Chicago was just crazy. It was hard to post any footage, any type of racing footage. It was hard, but no excuses. We back and we got so much stuff coming for this car. It's crazy. I want everybody to stay posted on all the miles we got coming for this car. Let me tell y'all this. A guy came up to me earlier in the week and told me that his dream car was a Mustang GT. I'ma tell y'all, like I told him, 3 things. Always stay positive, keep grinding, and remain focused, and y'all will get there. Okay, so for today's video, for anybody that don't know, this is a 2015 GT with the performance package. The 2015s did not come with any type of spoiler. Some people love it, some people hate it. I've seen a lot of comments saying, ooh, 6Speed, you should get a spoiler. The spoiler that I chose was the GT500 spoiler. If you don't know how it looks, I'll post a picture of it. I honestly feel, in my opinion, this is a must-have spoiler for the Mustang GT for the S550s. It's definitely aggressive looking, and it just look good overall. This is not a tutorial, this is not a step-by-step, and this is not a how-to video. This video is strictly about one dumbass trying to install a spoiler on his Mustang GT. Hey, so take one last good look at this car, because after today it will not look the same, and then I'm gonna go inside and show you guys the new spoiler. Alright, so I still got it in the box. I'm about to show you guys what the spoiler look like right now. Alright guys, so here it is. Man, I hope the quality of the spoiler actually picks up on camera, but man, this thing looks so good and so aggressive. So here's the kit. It comes with some screws, comes with these little placing tabs, then it comes with some 3M double-sided tape. But just take a look at this thing. This thing is gonna look so good once on. It already came in gloss black, so I didn't have to get it painted or anything. It's gonna look so much better once we actually get it on. Yeah, this thing looks really good. I never installed a spoiler before, so hopefully it shouldn't be too bad. The process shouldn't be too bad, but with the right tools and everything, I definitely feel like you can do this at home yourself if you're thinking about getting the same spoiler. But man, it looks so good on camera. But man, it looks so good and so aggressive. Look at the curves in it. It's gonna look way better once it's actually installed. So we're gonna go ahead, get this thing installed, go with the flow, and just see how it turns out. This took way longer than expected, but I finally got all the holes drilled in my trunk. Took longer than expected. You gotta make sure you're using the right drill bits. And you gotta measure up everything the right way. So now I'm gonna just add on the 3M adhesive tape. I'm just screwing the last few screws on here. I'll drop y'all comments down below. Tell me what you guys think about the GT500 spoiler on my car. I like the little spaces right here in the middle. Look really good. It looks so much more aggressive from the back. Look at that. Man, yeah, that thing looking real good and real mean. So yeah, guys, definitely not a long video today. It was just a quick install on my new spoiler, but we definitely got a lot of content coming, so please stay tuned, especially if this is your first time stopping by. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and also drop your comments down below. So tell me, guys, what you think. Also, if you don't like it, let me know. I want to know everybody's opinion. I like it though, and I love how it looks from the back. Yeah, definitely look mean and aggressive. Stay tuned, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Peace.